Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell in the title, I am going to be doing like a 2020 version Thanksgiving makeup tutorial. I think a lot of us this year, I feel like we didn't use that much makeup. Like we would put makeup on like to put on Instagram or create on YouTube, but I think most of our days we spent with no makeup. And today I kind of wanted to do like a Thanksgiving look tutorial that you guys can use if you guys are having a Thanksgiving dinner in your own house with your own little intimate family. It's gonna be really simple, and I am excited to show you guys because I want to just put some makeup on. I am feeling a little bit down today, so I just want to be able to put some makeup on and make myself feel better. And why not do this video right now? But before I start, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you guys are not, and make sure you guys hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. I know YouTube sucks lately when it comes to notifying you guys if I post. I feel like the views have been really low, but I hope that changes anytime this year or next year, whenever it does. So anyways, let's just go ahead and start this video. For my primer today, I am going to be using this Tatcha. This is their silk canvas. I haven't used it that much because I don't want to run out of it because it's so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little bit of that and make sure that I put this all over and make sure that I focus in on the areas that are like the most dry. And oh my god, it just feels so nice when you apply it. I love it. So you guys, I am super excited. Just in case you guys don't know, I did purchase the Raw Beauty Christie and ColourPop collection. I should be getting that soon, so when I get it, I am going to be doing a little tutorial using it. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys can know when I post it and when it's ready. I normally tell you guys when I have my videos going up soon on my Instagram, so if you guys are not following me there, you guys could follow me there as well. Now that we are all primed, I'm gonna go in with a KVD Vegan Beauty. This is their True Portrait and I'm in the shade 039. I'm gonna go in with this and make sure you guys shake it because it's one of those lightweight foundations, so you're better off shaking this bad boy. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this out with my Juno & Co sponge. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay, the Stay Naked in 40 NN. We're going to use this to conceal under the bags because I for sure really need that today. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I love this. So let me know, you guys, I've been thinking about it. Like, do people even like tutorials? I've been thinking about that since I've been posting tutorials, and I'm just questioning it. Do people even care about them anymore? Maybe makeup is just overrated and people are just, I already know how to do my makeup. I don't need to see tutorials. I find them to be kind of fun to just kind of watch, and it seems just really relaxing to me. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Do you guys think about makeup tutorials? I feel like before, like obviously when I first started, it was like a big thing. Now it was, and then it transferred to like makeup reviews, and then I don't know where it went, but now I just kind of like I would like to bring that back. I would like people to just kind of sit down and do their makeup. I think it's really fun to kind of see people create with different products. So let me know in the comments below. I'm really wondering. So since it's a Thanksgiving look, I thought it was a really good idea to make myself look very bronzy. So that's the kind of look that I'm going for today. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. This is their Fit Me Concealer in Cafe, and I love this one to contour. And then we're going to go in with a bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and contour with this. Then we're going to go ahead and just blend this out. I thought I was recording that little part, but I basically put this Milk Makeup. This is their Lip and Cheek in the shade Pearl. It is a cream blush, so I like to grab a brush like this and sweep it over on this. I kind of don't like putting the product straight to my face, so I like to get a brush and kind of sweep it on top, and it starts looking like this. And I like it because it kind of does give like your face like a nice dewy look. I am going to be going over with bronzer and blush, the powders, to kind of set that in. So for that, I am going to be going in with this Urban Decay. This is their Threesome palette, and in Rise. It's in Rise right here, and I like it because it has that blush and bronzer, and I kind of love these colors right here. You guys can see, but it's like right here. I love this palette so much, so I'm going to go ahead with this and just make sure that I set the bronzer up a bit. So now that that full face is done, I'm going to go ahead and set with this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Guys, this is legit one of my favorite setting sprays. I feel like once you put that in, it really does set in like the powders that you put on your face, and I just feel like it makes your skin look really, really nice. So we're just letting that dry, and I'm gonna go in with this Melt Cosmetics. This is their highlighter in gold ore, and I love it. I have not been using it for a while, but it's such a pretty bronzy gold highlighter, and I just really want to use it. So we're gonna be using that to highlight today, and I'm going to be grabbing a brush here and make sure that we just kind of put that right on the high cheeks right here. You guys see how nice that looks? Like the glow is just stunning. So the goal is today to be bronzy and highlighted. I just feel like that's the kind of look that I'm going for. Super simple yet really nice and highlighted, you know, like really like a highlighter, you know. I don't know if that makes any sense. I think it does not. So I went on and added some concealer. I put the Laura Mercier concealer in the Ultra Longwear Concealer, and this is in the shade 2N as my base for my shadow. So for my eyes, I am going to be using this Mented palette. This palette is just so pretty. I've been wanting to use it. I thought it was a pretty good time to use it since it has like those browns that I'm looking for. Like these super neutral browns. That's what I'm looking for. That's the kind of vibe that I'm going for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade. It's called Philly, and it's like a contour brown color. I just really like it. It's like a cool tone brown. So I want to use that, and I want to add that all over the lid, basically, just to kind of cover the whole eye. It's gonna be really simple, you guys. Like normally I kind of go ham with these colors, but today I wanted to do a really simple, easy look for you guys. Basically kind of tap that all over, and I am using like this fluffy brush. This is from Kaleidos, and it's like a brush set, and this is a S1. It's a fluffy brush basically. So we're gonna just kind of pack that all over the lid and just kind of blend that. And we're gonna drag it down a little bit just to kind of make it a little bit more of a, like, kind of length it out, you know, just so it doesn't look too roundish. Does that make sense? With that same color, I'm gonna bring that to the lower lash line and just kind of blend that out. You could even get a smaller brush. I don't know why I got this big brush, but I was like, you know what, let's just do it with this. Kind of just blend that out and bring it all together. Now with my finger, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Miami, which is this goldish color right here. I'm gonna be going in with my finger like so, and just kind of adding that to the lid and just tapping it in there. You guys, I'm telling you, with one brush and just a finger, you guys can kind of create this look. And with this pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with the same shade Miami, which is that gold, and we're gonna be adding that to the inner corner and our brow bone. Now that's done, I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay Lash Streak Mascara. This is, you guys, this is my favorite mascara. It is so good. At first, it does seem like it has a lot of product, but I really do like the fact that once you use it, your lashes just look really big, and I kind of like the fact that it is a little bit bulky, to be honest. Like, not that it's clumpy, but like the fact that my lashes are there. Normally when I put mascara and I just feel like the product is not enough for me, that's when I kind of put some falsies on. But I really like this mascara, so we're gonna go ahead and add some mascara. Like, do you guys see the difference of why I love this mascara? It is just so good. So I put my lashes off camera. I did use Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes in fashion. I also love those lashes. Like, do you guys see how stunning they are? I need to get new ones because they are dusty and ugly, and I'm pretty sure I should not be putting them on my eyes. So for my lip, I am going to be using this lip combo. This is the Lime Crime Velveteen lip liner in Minx, and it's like this nice brown color. Super cute. And I'm gonna be going in with the House Laboratories. This is their Le Riot lip gloss, and this is in the shade Chaser, and I thought it was really cute. I'm gonna show you guys the color. It's just, ooh, look at that. It is such a nice color, and I thought it was really perfect for fall. So we're going to be using this lip combo. Obviously it's gonna be like a glossy lip, so I feel like glossy lips are pretty in this year, so I was like, why not put that today? So I'm gonna go in with the Lime Crime lip liner. Now to go in with this House Laboratories Le Riot lip gloss, and oh my god, you guys, I just love it so much. So do you guys see how beautiful this lip color is? I love this gloss. I even like the formula, even though it's a little bit thick. For me, I kind of like the fact that it feels really hydrating on my lips, and I feel like they're just there. So I really like this. If you guys have not tried the House Laboratories and you guys like that kind of thick lip gloss, I recommend you guys trying it out. This is the end of the little tutorial. So let me know what you guys think of this look down below. Would you guys try this? Do you guys think this is too simple? Let me know in the comments below. I actually really like this, and I feel like this is something I would wear for my own Thanksgiving dinner at my house, because honestly, like lately I've been literally living with no makeup. I've just been creating looks for Instagram, but I just create it and I take it off right away because I just feel like I love feeling my skin breathe lately. And honestly, this whole year has been really tough on me mentally and physically. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Like that, YouTube knows you guys are enjoying my content and recommend it to other people. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.